Welcome to Harlock. My name's Jean. I'm part owner of the Old Cheese Market and Havember Castell in Harlock here. We've been here 15 years now. We've been making ice cream all that time, but we've, over the years, added extra products like bakery, preserves, confectionery, and we now have a chocolate range to add to that. In the Old Cheese Market, we specialise in luxury Welsh food and drink. You can find beers, cheese, of course, from all over Wales, butter, cream, charcuterie, preserves, honey, gin, and wine. These products are special not just because they're Welsh, it's because the ingredients are fantastic and the producers have the same passion for their products as we have for selling them. If you're in North Wales, a visit to Harlock is a must, because you'll be seeing the castle for the first time, and quite opposite us, the Harlock Castle, is the Old Cheese Market. So it'd be rude not to drop in and have a look at everything we have. Harlock, between the mountains and the sea, just a beautiful place to come, walk on the beach, take a picnic, go for a walk in the hills, see the most panoramic views ever of the whole of the Cambrian coast. So we've teamed up this year with Neges Home to bring you a picnic hamper that you can take either to the beach while you're building your sandcastle, or you can take up the mountains on your trek. It all comes in biodegradable packaging. In the hamper, we're going to have a meat platter, a cheese platter, a lovely salad, some hunks of fresh bread, Barabrie chocolate, and then optional drinks. The cheese platter features Monlas cheese, Snowdonia black bomber, Brevi bark from the Clean Peninsula, which is a used cheese, and Tyvee seaweed cheese. We'll also have Heading Hour biscuits and Craddocks, and some lovely onion marmalade from Goitra Farm, made just down the road in Barmouth. In the meat platter, we have the famous T.J. Roberts pork pie, Treely farmed charcuterie, the lamb carpaccio, and the cracked black pepper salami. And there's also an onion bhaji egg. Vegetarian options are available. Ordering could not be simpler. Go on our website, harlock.cymru, drop down menu on the shopping app or hampers, where you'll see a selection of hampers, including the Neges Home picnic hamper. And then either complete a purchase online, or better still, give us a text or a WhatsApp and we'll do everything else for you. Enjoy your stay in North Wales. If you come to Harlock, please come in and see us. Say hello, we'd love to meet you.